Hello everybody, this is JT back on the channel again, and today this may or not become a trend where basically I just review official Thomas activity sheets and just fuck around with them and just do stupid, unfunny shit. Like, one day I might review a color page and go like, ooh, look, it's Thomas, and I just download them from the official website or something, and I'm just like, oh, look, there, it's Thomas, or oh, look, it's ThE. But today, I'm just gonna do this. I don't know if it's gonna be a trend on the channel. But basically, looking for words, and oh wow, look at that! They already did something for one of the words. Alright, help the Steam, and it says here, race to help the Steam team. Hold on, there's something. Didn't add the TN. That was a stolen joke from playing Rock 124, I'm sorry. Alright. Race to help the Steam team find the words! Exclamation point. Alright, Tom. And, the words we have to search for are team, rescue, together, giving, backup, unite, help, engines, Percy. And, well, I gotta look around. Oh man, it's so hard, and, oh, I found them! Look, I found all the words. I found all the words. Yeah. Alright. And I found something shocking that Mattel hid. Who is it, Mattel? What am I... Okay, for real though. Percy. Found Percy. Wait a second. Oh, you're not gonna believe this, but look. If you look real closely, it says sauce. Ding ding ding. I'm sorry. No, Percy. Yes, Percy. All right, and together, yeah. And team, which they already outlined, but whatever. Okay. Fuss. Wait a second. That's not one of the words. Rescue, seam, hold on, see me, wait, steamy, okay, no, okay, giving, I don't, oh, look, engines, yay, hooray, alright, I don't see anything else. Well, I mean, I should. Hold on, let me pause. It's gonna look glitchy, I know, but hold on, let me pause. There's a B and an A there. It must be Rebecca. Speaking of that. Oh, hold on, I gotta erase off her face and oh, it got a little bit on Thomas. Okay, let's just... There we go. Gotta add red. And we're done. Alright, that's serious. I found it. Back up. We need backup. Alright, so basically what I'm gonna do is that. Oh, there we go. Basically, it just says the words that I've seen. Yeah. We're gonna be looking for giving. Never gonna give you up. Okay. Oh my god, guys, they mentioned Bill and Ben. Or Donald Douglas, I don't know, but look. Twin! Twin! See? Twin! Oh, look, I found a word that they wanted us to look for. Leg. Just remove this one E and look. Leg. I did it. I found all the words. Ding. That fucking check mark. Better check mark than that. Ding. Thanks for watching.